Let's discuss slide titles in Google Slides. A slide title is a short amount of text, typically towards the top of the slide visually, to indicate what the main purpose of that slide is, what the main topic is, or so on. It is necessary that there is a slide title for each slide. This is important because assistive technology users, when they are looking at your Google Slides, they need to know what is the main point of the slide before they start interacting with the content. Otherwise, it can be very confusing. Here's a Google slide deck that we should look at. I'm going to visually scan each of the slides until I see a suspicious slide that looks like it may be missing a title. So slides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 all look like that they have what we are looking for, which is a title. Slide 8 is showing a list of the most popular songs. However, if I am not familiar with the Beatles, I may not understand what that list means, so adding a slide title is going to give me better context. The way I would add in a slide title is to go up under the option for slide and then select apply layout. And in this case, I'm given a couple of preset options. These options are going to be dependent upon if you're using a certain type of Google slide deck. It's going to depend if you have a theme that your institution uses for your Google Slides and so on. In this example, I have an option that says title slide 1 only, and that will be sufficient for this particular example because I have my main body of content, but I just want to add in a slide title. So I'll select that option. And what happened is, it's hard to see because of color contrast issues, but there is a dialog box that popped up at the top, and in black font it says, click to add title. So here's where I can write in list of popular songs. However, there is an overlap between this title and the table, so I will need to rearrange the table visually in order for both things to show. And in this example, I will need to change the color of the slide title to be white so it's more understandable. So making those adjustments. So in addition to adjusting the table's height and width, I am also going to adjust the font just slightly so it all fits nicely on one slide. So now that I have a slide title, I can understand clearly what the purpose of slide 8 is, and this is great context for both those who use assistive technology as well as those who may be unfamiliar with the content.